Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Christina and thank you for clicking on my video. Now do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Now, before I get started, let me say, I know you probably noticed my background is different. Yes, I am no longer filming in the bedroom that I am sharing with my little girl. I am now in the spare bedroom. It came available. I'm staying with my mom temporary right now, so it came available. So I moved all my equipment in the spare bedroom, aka my walk-in closet. Hence the reason why you see my shoes in the background. So that's where I'm filming at now. But anyways, we didn't come here to talk about that, did we? We came here to talk about this wash and go that I am getting ready to do. So I have already washed my hair, conditioned, deep conditioned, and now I'm getting ready to style it. So I was trying to decide what styling product I wanted to use, and I decided I hadn't used my Eco Styler in a while. Y'all know, if you've been with me since I started in February, you know when I first went natural, did the bit chop, I loved my Eco Styler gel. I wouldn't use nothing else. Everybody else was on wet line. I was still using Eco Styler. But, you know, I finally tried wet line, fell in love with it, and then I hadn't used Eco Styler in a while. So I'm actually going to use my Eco Styler, and I'm going to be using the olive oil one. This one right here. As you can see, this one's about empty, so I have me a backup, and I actually have brought this back up before I tried the wet line extreme. So this is my styler that I'm going to use today, and I am also going to use my favorite, you already know, my coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. That one right there. So I'm going to use these two products. I hadn't used the Eco Styler in a while, so I just wanted to see, you know, if it's still gonna have my curls popping like it did when I first went natural. I am gonna do the Shingling Method, so let me get started right now because Shingling Method takes forever. So I already got my hair parted, and this time instead of doing a straight side part, y'all, I actually did a slanted part. I used to wear my hair like this when I was relaxed, excuse me, and I wore my part slanted. So I decided I wanted to see how that would look with my natural hair. Alright, so I already have my leave-in in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to try not to make my sections too small with the Shingling Method because I'm not trying to be here all night long. And I think I'm going to make my curls a little bit bigger instead of so small. So, and of course I have my water bottle in case my hair starts to dry out. Oh, look at me, what am I doing? Alright, first I gotta put my smoothie in. So y'all already know I parts it in half. Like I told y'all, with this, a little bit goes a long way. So got it on my hands. As you can see, my hands is white, and then I'm just gonna rub it on this bottom section, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the top section. Alright, now that I got that worked in, I'm gonna get started with my gel. I'm just gonna make my sections, put the rest of it up out of the way. Spray it with a little bit of water. And we're gonna go in with this Eco Styler. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do, and I'm just going to do this all over my head and try not to make these curls so small because I want to get done, and then I will be back to show you all what my wet results look like. Alright everyone, I am done, and as you can see, the Shingling Method gives me like major shrinkage, but these are my wet results, and y'all, I'm loving it. I mean, my hair is so moisturized. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but my hair is super duper moisturized. It is so shiny, and I think a lot of that has to do with me putting my leave-in in the shower. I have been washing my hair in the shower lately. I know I told you all before I can't stand to wash my hair in the shower, but I have been washing my hair in the shower lately. And it's like every time I wash my hair in the shower and I put my products on in the shower, my hair comes out so moisturized. But anyways, these are my wet results. I'm gonna show you all what they look like. So yeah, that's what we're looking like wet. I do have my slanted parts, but I don't know if it's gonna stay. My hair trying to come back over. But anyways, I am going to go sit underneath the dryer and I'm going to let this dry, and then once it is dry, I will come back and show you my dry results and tell you what I think about it and if I still like eco styling. So I will see you all in just a little while. Alright everyone, I am done with the dryer and these are my results. Y'all, this wash and go is so doggone moisturized. Like, I really wish y'all could see how shiny this was. I haven't had, I haven't had a good moisturized wash and go like this in a long time. Like, and then the Shingling Method got my curls popping, and yeah, that eco style I miss. Using that gel made me miss how much I love that gel. I am definitely going to have to start back using my Eco Styler gel. So these are my results. Now you see how short it is? It like really shrunk up, but that's what the Shingling Method does. Every time I use it, I get major shrinkage. But I'm going to band this tonight. I will come back in the morning and I will let you all see how it looks and how much it stretches after I take the bands out. And also I will put the products that I use for this, I will put that down below in the description box. So that is all I have. And I will see you all in the morning when I come back and take my bands out and shape it and let you see how it looked then. So until then, y'all have a good night and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning everyone, it is the next day and today is Monday, July 15th, and I am back to show you what my hair looks like after I take it down in the morning from banding it overnight. So I have this oil to put on my hands. All this is Jamaican black castor oil, that's all. So I'm just gonna take my headband off, and this is what my hair looks like. Like I showed you all in my banding video how I preserve my hair. When I do my wash and goes now, I don't get up in the morning. I don't just go to sleep on it, get up in the morning, wet it real good and just shake. I stopped doing that. This is what I do now, and I like it a whole lot better. So I'm just gonna put some oil in my hands. And all I'm going to do is take all of these out, then shape it, and then I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, so I am done. This is what we're looking like. As you can see, I got a little bit of stretch. It's not as big as I want it to be, of course, because it's first day hair, so it is still a little flat. But my hair is still super moisturized. It did get a little bit of stretch. My stretch will get longer because I will band my hair every night and redo it in the morning. So that is how I'll get more stretch, and that is how it will get bigger and fluffier. So these are my results, and y'all, I am loving this. Eco Styler still got it going on. I would definitely be using Eco Styler more. I miss that gel, and I just realized how much it missed. Like, this, I have to say, is my best wash and go that I have ever done. Shingling Method got my curls popping. As much as I hate it, I think I'm gonna start doing the Shingling Method more often. but these are what my results looks like. So yeah, I'm loving it. I try not to pick in it too much. I have to make sure my parts are covered up, but I don't want to pick in it too much because I don't want to create too much frizz before the week is over with. So I think that is all. It'll be time for me to leave and go to work soon, but yeah, you guys, I'm loving this wash and go. Every curl is nice and defined. I got movement. I mean, I don't know. I think Eco Styler kind of did this one better than Wetline. So, I don't know. We're going to have to see here. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go to work. So, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful. And maybe you will give this combination a try. Remember, that was Eco Styler Gel with the olive oil one. And, of course, my favorite, Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So that's all I have for this video, guys. You all have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.